There was a poor boy named James. Every day, he walked home from school barefoot, hungry, but hopeful. One afternoon, while crossing the market, he noticed something lying on the ground. A wallet, thick, heavy, and full of money. James picked it up, and his hands began to shake. At home, there was no food, no comfort, no money. And yet, in his small hands, he held more than he had ever seen in his life. For a moment, he looked around. Nobody was watching. Nobody saw him pick it up. No one even knew the wallet was missing. He could have taken it. He could have fed his family for days. But James closed his eyes and whispered, "This isn't mine." He tightened his grip on the wallet and walked straight to the address inside. When he knocked, an old man opened the door. James held out the wallet and said softly, "Sir, you dropped this." The old man stared at him, confused, almost shocked. Then he laughed and said, "Why return it? No one saw you. You could have kept it." James looked down at his dusty feet and whispered, "God saw me, and I saw myself." The old man froze. Those simple words hit him harder than anything he'd heard in years. His eyes filled with tears. "Son, I dropped this wallet on purpose. I wanted to see if honesty still exists in this world." With trembling hands, he pushed the wallet back into James' palms. "Take it," he said. "You didn't just return a wallet, you returned my faith." James shook his head. "This isn't mine, sir." But the man insisted, "Then take it as a gift for choosing honesty when life gave you every reason not to." James walked home that day, holding the wallet, but the money inside was not the most valuable thing he received. He carried something far greater: a man's trust, a man's tears, a man's restored faith in humanity. Because sometimes one honest act can change a heart forever.